I don't know if the actual gears messed up or if something just went out of place. In reverse, you just go straight up and push it back. Woo! Alright, what's up you guys? Well, bad news. Tranny has to come out. And the reason being is because reverse doesn't go in, and ever since we put the transmission in, reverse never wanted to go in. And before we even put the damn transmission in, we checked all the gears by hand. Everything went in fine, even reverse went in fine, and then we put it in, and then I drove it 1 mile and that's it. Reverse never went in. Cables, I did mess them up because the shift selector does have like the pieces of aluminum still stuck, the ones that usually are in the shifters. I guess it was stuck on here, and my dumbass decided to drill out the hole and make it bigger just to fit it. And this side is a bit worse. Well, I gotta disconnect it from right there first, but I'll show you guys this in a minute. I even took the shift selector out, checked it out, everything looks fine. And the bracket was also loose, took it off. I went ahead and tightened it as well. That's when I lost the bolt. I'm gonna just go ahead and try taking these little pieces off. They look like they're pretty on there, so they kind of look like if they were welded on there, but it looks like it's gonna be kind of hard to take them off. Well, it's been a few days later. I already went ahead, moved the car a little bit to the side, took off the bumper. I'm gonna take off the wheels right now. I just want to say, I don't know if I remember if I told you guys I was gonna put the car on the dyno already, but since reverse doesn't go in, I don't know if the actual gears messed up or if something just went out of place. Just go ahead, take off the tires, take everything off, take that part of the traction bar off because you need to take that off to take the transmission out. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse in a little bit, but it's pretty much it for right now. From the last clip, I had a few things I had to do, so I stopped recording. But it is a few days later, and it's pretty cloudy today. Now, I am just hoping that something just went out of place, because if something's broken, then that means the hatch is going to be down a little bit longer, because I'm going to have to replace what's broken. Just to show you how the gears go in, so that's first, I think, second, third, fourth, fifth. In reverse, you just go straight up and push it back. But does not want to go in. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm taking the transmission out. But other than that, let's get to the time lapse. Alright, so I got everything almost disconnected. I went ahead, took the midshaft out with the axle, got this axle out, drained the oil, which kind of sucks because there's less than a mile on that transmission oil. Could have saved it, but I'd rather just get some new oil. Now also it just cleans up the inside. I don't know if there's any debris or dirt inside of it, so throw that away. Also took out the transmission bolts all around. All I gotta do is just disconnect these three and transmission should be free. I got the jack on the bottom holding the transmission, so yeah, it took me about 30 minutes, but that wasn't too bad. So now I just gotta pull the transmission out and we're good. Also, I got pretty hot, so I'm all sweaty and I'm gonna get burnt, but a few minutes ago it was pretty cloudy and look at it now. That's Arizona for you. I already went ahead and loosened them, so don't think that they were this loose. Oh, this is in the way. Is he gonna grab it? Nope. Gotta do it by hand. Forgot to loosen this bolt, but I already went ahead, took it out. So now I'm gonna just jack the transmission up, get that mount off, which is pretty stuck. Well, that's where it's stuck from. So once this bracket's out, I'm gonna go ahead and make this hole a little bit bigger because it is getting stuck. I've been struggling for like 15 minutes and wondering why I can't get the damn transmission out, and it's because I forgot about the starter. So you gotta take off the starter bolt because that one is attached to the transmission, so gotta take this guy out. Damn, I just fucking kicked you guys. Well, I don't know how well you guys can see that. Woo! Alright, and transmission is out. Whew. Damn, it's hot. I'm going to be opening it right now, but that's going to be for another video. But that's pretty much it for this video, so subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.